Hi everyone! Today I'd like to show you another book from the Ultimate Book series. This is the Ultimate Book of Cities. This book also has flaps, pull tabs, and pop-ups. This book has simple information about city, but even though it is simple, it is very thorough. There's information about the traffic in the city and the transportation that people use. There's also information about the buildings and what people are doing inside the building. There's also information about the city infrastructure and waste management. And information about public places that we can find in the city. Now, what's interesting about this book is that this book stored many information inside the flaps. Now, there are so many information that you can get from this book. I think the author made a great job because we can have so many information and without realizing it, because we can play with this tabs and flaps, and it's fun. I think this book can depict the whole picture of a city, and this is the kind of book that you can keep for a long time because your child can read it since they're young and they can reread it again whenever they need information about city. So that's Mommy's review from me. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.